I keep hearing people say the BX thief is broken. They point to that level 1 character sheet. They see a 15% move silently or 10% hide in shadows, and they laugh, right? They think it's a joke. They think the class is just a speed bump on the way to upper levels. And that's because they're looking at it through a modern lens. They think a character sheet is a list of power buttons. We've discussed this before. You press them to make the DM say yes. They want a 65% success rate because they're afraid of the friction. But here's the truth. That 15% or 10% isn't your chance to succeed. It's your safety net for when your plan falls apart. If you're reaching for your percentile dice, you've already failed the player skill test. Today, we're going to talk about why the thief is actually the most professional class in the dungeon, and how that 15% miracle is what makes them indispensable. So let's define the difference between hiding in shadows and hiding. See, this is where the modern gurus get it wrong. In an old school sandbox, anyone can hide. Seriously. If a fighter stands behind a massive stone pillar in a pitch black room, he is hidden. He doesn't roll a die. He's just, isn't seen. That's common sense. That's layer 1 of defense. The thief skills are for the almost impossible. Think about the Grey Mouser. He isn't hiding behind a wall. He's hiding behind a single velvet curtain in a room lit by 3 torches. Logic says it should be seen. The guard is walking 3 feet away. A normal person has 0% chance to hide there. But the thief, because he's a professional, he has a 10% chance to defy the physics of the room. And that 10% isn't a low skill, it's a superpower. It's a mechanical permission to do what the DM's logic says is essentially impossible. If you treat it like a button you press in an empty hallway, you're wasting the class. So let's walk through a real table scenario. Your party is in a keep. There's a kitchen full of half-drunk guards. They're deep in their cups. You need to get the cues off the hook behind the head cook. If the fighter tries this, it's done. It's over. He's in combat. He could be dead. He's in plate mail. He's a tactical resource, not a ghost. The thief player says, all right, I got this. I'm going to wait until the cook turns to the soup pot. Then I'm going to time my steps with the banging of the cleavers. There's a rhythm to it, right? I'm wrapping my boots in greasy rags from the bin. As a ref, I look at that and say, wow, all right, that's a professional plan. You move across the room, no roll needed. That is player skill. You describe the action, you bypass the dice if you describe it accurately and well enough, and it fits the scenario. But then the cook drops the spoon. He turns early. Can happen, right? The plan is broken. And now you reach for that 10% or that 15%. This is the moment where the thief's professional training kicks in and he somehow, miraculously, because they made the roll, melts into the steam of the soup pot just as the cook looks his way. If you had a 75% success rate on the sheet, you wouldn't have bothered with the rags or the timing. You would have just pressed the button. High percentages make players lazy. Low percentages make players professionals. The creator influencers want to fix the thieves. They want to give you reliable talent or expertise. They want to move that 15% to 55%. And you know what happens when you do that? You kill the tension. You kill the need for the grease rags and the clever timing. When the math is fair, the players stop interacting with the sandbox and start interacting with the math. The BX Thief was designed to be a class that lives on the razor's edge. You are the only one who can legally cheat the impossible rulings of a DM. You are the only one who can find a trap that logic says is invisible. You are the only one who can climb a sheer, smooth wall. Everyone else is playing a game of probability. The thief is playing a game of, you guessed it, grit. Right? Looking at your character sheet as a list of things you can do is something you need to stop doing. Look at it as a list of things you can do when everything else fails. The thief is the skill of last resort when the fighter's HP is gone and the wizard's spells are spent. The thief is the one who finds that 10% miracle that gets everyone home alive. I want to thank the Tavern's minions, all 193 of you. You're the reason I can stand here and tell those looking to pay for my soul to shove it. We're looking for 200 members to keep the independent voice going. If you enjoy this look at the hobby, unvarnished, truthful, join the Tavern community. Subscribe, grab a seat at the bar, and let's keep the old school alive. I'm Tenkar, and I'll see you at the tavern. God bless, and be good.